Hello, this is an early years video from AmazingICT and I'm going to be introducing the Cubetto today. So Cubetto is a tiny little robot from Italy and Cubetto means small cube in Italian. So you switch it on underneath and you can see a little light comes on and it makes a noise. If it's not working, it needs 3 AA batteries. So you put that onto the floor or onto one of the mats. This is a cloth mat that comes with Cubetto. And you then turn on the base unit. So the same again, you turn it over and there's a little switch. Now this time you should get a little blue light that appears. There we go, it just flashed. Now that noise means that it's connected via Bluetooth from the Cubetto to the base unit, which is brilliant. It happens automatically. You then turn this round so that the children or the pair of children or the group can see this particular place here. And then you've got all these tiles. So I tend to say to the children, what do you think is going to happen? And show them the tile and show them the base unit and show them the robot. And often they'll guess that you have to put the tile in the hole. Now it only fits in one way, so you've got to sort of either look or you've got to twist it and then it slots in and that light stays on, and that's brilliant. That means it's recognized that tile. So that's a forward tile. I usually don't tell the children, I see if they can work it out, and then we try some other tiles. So I usually do another forward, but in this case for you I'll just do that one, and that's a right. Now to make it easier for the children who are very young, I always put the Cubetto facing the same direction as the base unit. So this is facing away from the child, so Cubetto's facing away from the child. So now when you press this, it sends a Bluetooth message. Now you've only got to press it once. Often children will hold their finger on it, so just get them to press it once and then take their finger off. And then it will go forward and then it should turn right. There we go, and they absolutely love the cute little face when it faces them. So here's a few more ideas for you. So often I use some toys and get the children to place the toys in a particular square that agrees with what the toy is. So in this case it's water. It's supposed to be a tree or a dead orange tree, but you can make things out of cardboard. This is made out of wood, but you could make things out of cardboard and put them on. I use this when I'm trying to get the children to think of new ideas, and just put that shell on there as well. And then what I'm going to do is just put another straight one in, and then the orange is left. So I usually say to the children, R is red, that means right, and then the opposite way is left. And then I give them a little piece of paper with all the instructions on so they can see. And then what I'll do is we'll talk about whether this is strong enough to push things. So in this case I've got a toilet roll. So let's see if it'll. So I'll press that. It goes forward, and let's see if it pushes the toilet roll. Now it's going to turn right in a minute, so that'll be interesting because it should leave the toilet roll there. Now it actually came to a ridge on the mat, which was fun, so it pushed the toilet roll further on. And then you can try other things. So here's some sellotape. So let's just press this. You can see I'm enjoying this. And then let's see if it will push that. It's really nice and peaceful as well. Okay, so that was really good. You can then link it to literacy, because you can get books like Cubetto's first day. I think this is the first day at school, or when he just comes out the box. Yeah, it's his first day at school. But you can, if you haven't got a book, you can design your own. So Cubetto's first visit to the sea, or Cubetto's first day out. And then finally, you can have other floor turtles as well. So this is my Bebop Blue, and then I'm just going to program it the same program as I've done for the Cubetto. So it was forward 2. Don't forget, on the Bebop you have to press X first. 1, 2, and then it was right and then left. So this is going to be quite tricky because I'm doing the video and I've got to press this button and I've got to press that button. So it's not going to be a fair scientific test, but let's have a go. I think the Bebop Blue goes faster, so I'll give this a little bit of a start. So it's almost like they're having a little dance or a little coordinated move. Now it's quite interesting. So we've got to debug the code. So Mr. Smith did something wrong. So you could say to the children, what did Mr. Smith do wrong? And the answer was, I obviously forgot to press left on the Bebop Blue. So thanks for watching, and hopefully you'll enjoy doing some computing with the young children.